circle, square, rectangle. Say these words with me. Circle, square, rectangle. What are those? Shapes. Great, great. Well, today what I'd like to share with you is some things about shapes. Now, we've talked about 2D shapes, which is your circle, your square, rectangle, rhombus, octagon. Well, I want to look at 3D shapes. All right, 3D shapes. We touched a little bit about it in the classroom, and I just want to go a little deeper into it today. All right, so my shapes. What is this? What could it be? This is a cone. A cone is a 3D shape. A cone is a 3D shape. And if you look anywhere around your house, I'm sure you might have some things like this. I know I do in my freezer right now. Do you? Awesome, awesome. Yes, like an ice cream cone. Well, a 3D shape is a shape that you can see all the way around. If you remember, I had talked about that with the 3D shape, you can see all the way around, right? If I look on one side, what does it look like? It looks like a circle. Good. Yes, it does. It looks like a circle. So a 3D shape, if you can see all the way around it. Now, maybe you're still not quite understanding what I'm trying to say. So let's look at the circle. Okay. I have a circle here. Nice and flat. That's a 2D shape, a two-dimensional shape. The three-dimensional shape is where it turns into a, do you know what this kind of looks like? What's this look like? Does it look like this? Am I too close? This is a cylinder, okay? It's a can. You can roll with it. If you look at it this way, what do you see? You see a circle, a circle. My 3D shape, my cylinder, is like taking that circle and you put it up here, up towards your mouth, and just pretend like you're going to blow into it, like a balloon. Look what happens. It turned into a cylinder. It turned into a cylinder. So 3D shapes are kind of like if you blow them up and you can see more around them. You can see all the way around them in the front, the back, the sides. So my cylinder, here's my circle. There's my circle, okay? But I just blew it up. And it turned into a cylinder, all right? Let's look at another one. I have a square. What do you think a square is going to turn into? What could a square turn into? This look kind of the same. A square has how many sides? 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now remember, a square, they're all equal sides. So they're all the same all the way around. Okay, looks like a square. I put it there. All right. Okay, well, I'm going to change it. I'm going to change it into a cube. Okay, so what do we need to do? We need to take our square and we need to blow into it. Ready? Boom. Here comes the cube. It's like if there's air in it, and see how you can see all the way around my cube? All the way around. Can you do that with my square? Can you do that with my two-dimensional shape? Mm-mm. But my cube, you can, my three-dimensional shape. Three-dimensional. It's hard to say. So just call it a 3D shape. We've got a 2D shape, 3D shape. All right, another one. Now what do I have? What is this? This is a rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now with the rectangle, remember 2 sides are long and 2 sides are short. Kind of like my box. My box. Okay. I have 2 short sides and 2 long sides. If I turn it this way, does it still look like a rectangle? What about if I turn it this way? This way? Exactly. But look, is this box of Cheez-Its a 2D shape or a 3D shape? It's a 3D shape. Because remember I said with my rectangle, if I blow into it, blow with me, fill it up. Oh, so this is called a rectangular prism. Okay, a rectangular prism. It's just like my box. It's just like my box. It's like my rectangle. 2 long and 2 short sides. So I could put this right there, rectangle. But I put some hot air in it and turned it into a, what's this called? A 3D shape. What's this one called? 2D shape. All right, boys and girls. So now we know 2D shapes, they're flat. 3D shapes, it's like you're blowing into it like a balloon. And I know a lot of you know how to blow into balloons, or maybe you can blow when you're making bubbles or chewing gum and trying to make a bubble. So that's what you're doing with your 2D shapes. You're just blowing into it to make it that 3D shape. All right. Um, have a great day, and I will see everyone later.